Hi everybody, and thanks for joining me. My name's Mark and you're in my shop. If you look around me, you'll see a lot of old tools. I like old tools and I like plaid shirts too. But today I want to show you a couple of old tools and we'll see if older tools are better than newer tools. How about this? This is a circular saw that attaches to a drill. It's got adjustable height, and it's got a bevel adjustment on it, and it's got a lot of dust on it because it is set on the shelf behind me for quite a long time. We're going to give it a try using this old Black & Decker model 1U that is from the mid-50s. So let's get these two items joined up and see if it'll work. That is one stiff old cord. Let's just see and make sure this thing runs. A little noisy, but it's working. We'll put the little drive spindle into the chuck of the drill and tighten the chuck. All right, let's plug it in again. I'm almost afraid to try this. All right, let's get a piece of wood and see if it works. I have this 1-inch thick piece of cedar. About as soft a wood as you can find. So I hope it's pretty easy on this old saw. Clamp it down to the old workmate. The teeth on this are not terrible, so I'm guessing it'll saw or wear its way through this board. This could go well, it could go bad. Let's see. doesn't even have the depth of cut to get all the way through. That's as much as it'll do from that side. I don't know if that's a success or a failure. It's about all this little toy can manage. Let's put this thing away for the time being and try something else. This is a nice old classic hand saw. It says warranted superior on it. It's a little gummy, but the teeth aren't bad. And I think that this is a cross-cut saw, so it should be good to go. Let's give it a try. I guess not bad. Certainly better than the first saw, but I wouldn't want to build a house this way. How I would want to build a house is this way. That's the way to go. My conclusion is old tools are fun to look at and nice, but if you want to get some real work done, modern tools are faster, lighter, and more efficient. Thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in next time.